Hi, and welcome back to SAP Business Object Processing Framework demo series. In last session, we saw how we can model the change document object via the transaction code SCOD. And before that, we already modeled the change document as a business object representation node in uh, you know, our sales order business object. So today we're going to see how we can register the change document object in the below SPRO path. So once you done the registration, you should be able to add the whenever you modify anything in your business object, it will automatically update the corresponding information in the change history tables. So that should be possible. So now let's go back to SPRO path and configure our change document or register our change document. So which is our change document object and then your business object to combine it. So go back to SPRO, SPRO, IMG. So many of the ABAPers might not be working on this, but basically this will be mostly used by the functional team for all your configuration activity, the system configuration activity. So for technical purpose, so there are some few nodes are available which you have to use it. So let's open this cross application component, and here is your processes and tools for the enterprise applications. Okay, under that, if you go down, there should be enterprise process observer obligation. Okay, yeah, reusable objects and functions for a BOPF environment. If you open that, so here there are quite some options are available, which we also see it in the the future session, because that's also be relevant for the business object processing framework. So on this, there is an option called maintain business object specific change document object. So if you execute this, there is a button called here execute. If you just click on that, it will take you to the, so it's a warning, it's information, so it's a caution, the table is a cross client, so you don't have to transport anything, it's automatically updated in all the s- client available in the system. So yes, so it's another information, you should not make any changes to the standard business object specific settings. Yes, we are not going to do that, we are going to add our business object here. So you can see here it is has a three entries. So one, it is says your business object name. Okay, so there are some business object, and then your change document object, which we know it, we created in the previous session. Then the change document class. In this one, we are not going to use anything new, so there are some generic change document classes available. We can utilize that to process our to capture the information, to move the change information from our business object to our backend database table, that we can use it. So it's very simple. So let's go and create a new entry. Okay, if we scroll down, you will not have any entry from our. Okay, so let's go and create a new entry. Okay, so you should use the F4 to get your business object. Let's type it RET. I'll put star, so we know our business object, it's order. Okay, so this is our business object. Here I have to provide my change document object. Okay, so we also created the change document object with the same name, so we should be, it should be available as a search. So I'll just set RET star. If you search it, you'll be getting that information. Yes, this is our change document object. As I said, you can leave it blank, or maybe we just go and use the our so you can see there is a generic class which you know it, we can just type it. So it's the same class which was used in many of our other configuration. If you just go on press enter that and save it. Okay, so it will ask you for the transport request everything, because you need to move the transport, no, you need to move it to the uh, next system, the quality box or production system. So that's the reason you have to use the transport request. So now you saved it, go back. So now the entries are available. So if you go here, see this. So these are the other standard object which is using this class. So you can still use this, or maybe you can go on, no, go and open these. Just go and open this class and create another custom class inheriting from this class. That's possible. Let's check this, what it is there in this class, or maybe let's open this class. Let's see what it is there. Open SE, new session, SE24, and enter the name, display. Okay, if I see, it is, again you can see this class, the class from the other business object. So I took the class from the another business object, okay, which is also implementing, it's using that as a super class, the class which we are using it. So basically, if you want to have some functionality to be changed or something to be rewritten, you can go on, create your own class and use it. So here they done some kind of a reimplementation, so which they are overwriting the existing standard class, whatever the functionality is providing. But this case we don't want that, so we will go with our standard class. That is possible. So we provided our standard class. So why we are missing k? Okay, call back generic. Okay, should be something we are missing. Let me check this class name whether that is there or not. Seems like, do we have anything like this? No. So it's wrong in our class. So copy this. Okay, it's the same class, different class. Okay, so something wrong with our class. Whatever we type, it is wrong. Okay, so now you save your changes. Okay, so now the configuration is done. So all the three step which we done, like, no, so define business object, it's done. Registering the business object with our business object, it's done. And modeling our business representation node on the BO, it's also done. So next step is we can go and test our, no, changes for to capture the change history information. Let's see in the next session how we can validate that whether the changes is working or not. Thank you.